The PROMISE study is the largest screening study for multiple myeloma in the country. It's based out of the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute on a grant from Stand Up to Cancer. We are a nationwide project, so we screen individuals on all 50 states, and we're actually going to be opening into Canada soon. So the goal of the study is really to institute nationwide screening for this disease. Right now in the country we don't screen for multiple myeloma. A lot of people are diagnosed in late stages when they have bone fractures or end organ damage. But what we're trying to do is catch them in the precursor stages. So there are two precursor conditions that preclude multiple myeloma. That's monoclonal gammopathy of undetermined significance, or MGUS, as well as smoldering multiple myeloma. And when we look for those two conditions, they're actually really easily detected in two different blood tests. So we're using serum erythroprotein electrophoresis, which is called an SPEP, as well as serum immunoglobulin-free light chains. We're also instituting mass spectrometry. So basically all an individual needs to do is they consent online. So they go to our website, which is located at www.promisestudy.org, and from there there's a big red button that says click here to join. And they can go there and do all the consenting and forms online. So there's two high-risk populations that we're screening for. So a normal person at the ages of 50 to 75 is going to be at around a 3% risk of developing these precursor conditions. Someone who has a first-degree relative, so that's a parent, a child, or a sibling who has multiple myeloma or another plasma cell dyscrasia, is about a 3 times higher chance. So that's around a 6 to 9% chance of them developing a plasma cell dyscrasia as well. So that's our first population that we're screening for, is individuals who have a family member who has a plasma cell dyscrasia. We're also screening African Americans, or individuals who identify as being of African descent, because they are also at a heightened risk of developing these diseases. So if you're in either of those populations and you're between the ages of 40 and 75, we ask that you go onto our website and consent online.